What's going on, guys? We're back here with another install. This time it's on one of my new toys. It's 2013 Corvette Grand Sport. So I'm getting rid of these boring ass halogen bulbs, putting some, let me see if I got it right here, let me see if I can get it out. Some LED lights. Don't mind the tools. There's some LED ones. Definitely need to put a tint film over this. They're also not the best quality. It's a little bit scratched up, but whatever, I'm not complaining. Yeah, I got tired of these yellow ones. I'll put a part of it, I'll put a film sequence, something showing like how boring and old they are. They're basically like the old school, those yellow halogen bulbs that like 90s car used to have. So I'm replacing them with some LEDs. So let's just get started. So first things first, they're supposed to come, this is like a little ballast they're supposed to put for like the LED so it doesn't hyper flash or something, I don't know. They're supposed to come with this block of double-sided tape, but like 3M. But I got mine used. They're called the Eagle taillights. I'm assuming Eagle for freedom because it's an American car, it's a Corvette, so I mean, whatever. Only one of them came with it. The other three don't have anything, so you could see. Oh, well, I lied. One of them has a little piece of it, the rest of them don't. So, got my own 3-sided tape. Gonna put them on, and it's a very simple install. It's probably 10 minutes at most. All you gotta do is remove this one torque screw right here. It's a T10. After you remove that, they just pop right out. You don't even gotta do anything for on their own. I'll show you. Let me just do this tape removing thing, putting new ones on, and then we'll continue. So one thing you want to be careful with is the screws. They're really just hand tighten. If you basically try to over tighten them, you're gonna strip them. Ask me how I know. And the hard way. So let's just get started with this one. And that's going the wrong way. After you remove the screw, pops right out. After you pop it out, just a little clip right here. You want to remove that. See if I can get it. You want. So after you remove that, just press in the tab. Okay. That's it.
Rock.
Wrong.
That is absolutely
Wrong.
proved over and over again.
Wrong.
He actually had.
Now the next part is you're supposed to connect this to. Where do you connect it to? Let's find out. So don't listen to me. You're not supposed to disconnect it. I messed up on that. You're just supposed to remove the bulb. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Let's find out. Hold on. Okay. I guess not. Alright. So after you remove the bulb, this plugs in there, and now this connects with this. Then you stick this right there, and then you call it a day. So let's do the rest and finish up pretty quickly. it's all installed, let's fire them up, see how they look. Personally, I don't like how they look like this. They look a little bit kind of dumb, but I'm gonna get some tint film or something like that and blacken them out a little bit, but let's just see how they look right now.